The kitchen of the temple, one earthen pot is placed at the bottom and 7 pots are placed on top of it. The cooking is done at the bottom, but the top one gets cooked first. The bottom one gets cooked later. Do you know? And that's not all. The shadow of the Lord Sri Jagannath temple is cast in the sky. Because it is Vaikuntha. The shadow of Vaikuntha will be in the sky. It will not fall on the earth. Such a large temple, a 240-foot temple, the largest temple in India. There is no temple this large anywhere in India. Because the Lord is great and the temple is great. Everything about him is great. Nothing is small. So the shadow of his temple does not fall on the ground. It's a 240-foot temple. You will see the shadow of that temple in the sky. Because he is the Lord of the universe. The Supreme Brahman, Sachidananda, Sri Jagannath, and Jagannath will take the form of Kalki.